Apple gave your phone a makeover, Android gave you real tools, and Meta, they're dressing you up with AI. Let's dive in. Apple just unveiled iOS 26 officially, and it's one of its biggest design updates ever. And no, it's not just another dark mode. They're calling it liquid glass. Imagine your app controls, sliders, and widgets floating like translucent jelly that reacts to your wallpaper and lighting in real time. The update hits everything: iOS 26, iPadOS 26, macOS Tahoe 26, even the Apple Watch and Apple TV. So whether you're checking FaceTime or just scrolling your home screen, everything now shimmers, bends, and adapts around your content like it's alive. But while Apple calls it their most delightful software ever, the internet has other opinions. Some users say it's giving Windows Vista meets modern iOS. And honestly, that's not too far off. Still, if you like your interface to feel like a screensaver from the future, this one's for you. While iOS 26 is busy flexing in the mirror, Android 16 just walked in and got to work. Now live on Pixel phones, Android 16 delivers real-time delivery plus ride-share updates, smarter group notifications, and stronger security with just one tap. It even gives hearing aid users better call clarity and lets tablet users multitask with desktop-style windowing. Later this year, you'll get custom keyboard shortcuts, taskbar overflow, and external display support. That's not a glow-up, that's a productivity power-up. Meta just launched a generative AI video editor and is giving full creative control. No editing skills needed. Upload a short video, choose from 50+ prompts, and AI can change your outfit, switch your background, or turn your video into a comic book scene. It's live now on the Meta AI app, website, and Edit app, and yes, it's free. For now. Influencers and content creators, your assistant has arrived. In partnership with Nigeria's Ministry of Communications, Meta launched the Llama AI Accelerator, supporting startups solving real problems with AI in healthcare, security, and agriculture. Applications close June 27. If you've got a bold idea and some code to back it up, go get that funding. Samsung's folding phone just hit the gym. The next-gen Galaxy Z Fold is now lighter, slimmer, and more durable than ever. Foldable phone that actually feels like a phone again. To win. Tech tip: want to record a tutorial or reaction on your phone with your voice? Just long press the screen recording icon and enable microphone audio before you hit record. Perfect for walkthroughs, app demos, or when you need to say, look at this nonsense in real time. Essentially helpful for creators or students who record tutorials, and it works on both iOS and Android. Thank us later. Well, if this episode blew your mind even slightly, drop a comment, share with a friend, and subscribe for your weekly dose of, wait, tech can do that? Catch you next week.